All rise. We will be. The International Criminal Court is now in session. L'audience le Cour Penal International est ouverte. Please be seated. Wave us as well.
Thank you very much. Court officer, please call the case.
Merci, Monsieur le Président. La situation en République du Kenya, dans l'affaire le procureur contre William Samoei Ruto et Joshua Arap-Song, ICC 0109-0111. Nous sommes en audience publique.
Thank you very much. I take it appearances remain as they happen.
Mr. President, good morning. We're joined once again by Mr. Steinberg, who wasn't in the last session.
On our side, the appearances remain the same. Thank you.
Our appearance remains the same, Mr. President. And likewise, Mr. President.
Thank you very much. Witness, welcome back to the courtroom. And Mr. Khan will continue asking you questions. Mr. Khan, we're in the open session.
I'm grateful. And Your Honour, before I go into that and proceed with my cross-examination, I'd ask that we assign an exhibit number to the document that I showed the witness, that I questioned the witness about yesterday, which is Ken-D09-0030-0428, and it's the last document at the last tab. It's from the Victim and Witness Unit. So, Your Honour, I'd ask that that be given an exhibit number, please.
Why do we give it an exhibit number? I thought you extracted the information you wanted and put questions to the witness, and the witness responded. Do we need to do more than that? One second. Do we need to do more than that? And why?
Your Honour, it's of course a document given by the prosecution and through the Victim and Witness Unit, created from the Victim and Witness Unit. It relates to the testimony. So in my respectful submission, when at the end of the day, or at any point in fact, Your Honours have to assess the transcript, you will have reference to the actual document that formed the basis of the questions that was created from the VW and transmitted to the defence. Your Honour, it just helps demonstrate the context and ensures that in the future a full record is available. The witness has confirmed the contents. There's no questions about authenticity and the like, and so it's my respectful submission it be part of the court record. Your Honour, a time may come indeed when the classifications and the record in this case are open not just to academics but to other members of the international community and the public. And Your Honour, it would be useful in our respectful submission for that record to be complete so that those that wish to study this case and be aware of it have relevant documents as part of the case file. Your Honours, I do ask that it be given an exhibit number, but I'm in Your Honour's hands.
Prosecution.
Well, Mr. President, the propositions contained in that document were put to the witness, and my learned friend had free rein to elicit whatever propositions he thought relevant, and he put the propositions he did, and the witness gave the answers that he did, and those answers are now on the record, and so for the purposes with which the document was used in the cross-examination, we say the record is complete.
Mr. Khan, I think we should leave it at that.
Your Honour, in that case, perhaps it can be marked for identification. Your Honour, because the witness cannot read. So it doesn't, Your Honour, the questions are being put.
All right, okay. See, it will be, let's not argue about it. We'll mark it for identification.
Your Honour, in that case, I'll continue, and I'm grateful for that. And the questioning now...
One second, let's finish the process.
Le document KEN D09 0030 04 2.8 confidentiel se verra attribuer la cote MFI T D09 00142.
I'm grateful. And Mr. President, Your Honours, with your leave, I'd ask that we move into private session.
Private session. And for how long, Mr. Can?
Your Honour, it would be quite some time, perhaps all of this session, in fact.
We go into private session then.